Welcome to the live stream. I hope everyone is ready to create, engineer, and play.
All right, hey, welcome everybody. We are going to be doing some game dev today. Let me know if everybody hears me all right. Wonder, I guess that didn't cut out all of the yesterday's chat. That's kind of weird, ain't it? Let's see. Oh, that's all right. We'll figure that out as we go. All right, looks like we've got a good connection. We got some folks jumping on, and all right, so couple updates here, kind of good deals. My Chess Federation stuff started coming in, and let me give you some of the results of the 3 tournaments. So in the 3+2, which was a rapid blitz, which was rough. That one was a 3-minute with 2-second increment. It was 7th out of 7th. That was my first blitz tournament I've ever played. It was wild actually, because everything about that blitz tournament was fast paced, going nuts. So that was the result of the first one. The second one, which was the monthly tournament, 8th out of 10th. Got a point in there with 2 losses. And then the extra tournament, got first place, winning 2 of 2 points, and getting my rating up to 904. So I feel pretty good about that. So, you know, that just posted today, right before the stream. Pretty excited about that. But what we're going to get into is kind of a Quest plugin. We've been working a little bit. We did the how to make the characters start being interactive, running around on their own. Did a lot of work toward there. That was actually really cool. And then made some like random switches. That way everybody's on a different loop. And that loop just allows for just random chat and text to come across. But what we're going to do now is we're going to continue the core plugins, the core stuff that we want to build out. The next one's going to be the quest system. So we're going to work on that one. We're going to create a new scene. And the plan kind of is to create about 4 or 5 events in that scene. And in those events, we want this thing to essentially roll through, gaining a quest and then going through a how that quest can be tracked, to how can we check on the status of it, to adding it to the journal, which is what we're going to call this, and then completing it, and then using that to then as a switch to like open a door, essentially. How do you get into the next area? How are we going to utilize this to do that? So that's kind of what the plan is going to be here. We may actually just use this scene, since we use this for the last one. And we'll just put in, I think 3 events is what we're going to need here for this. We've already got our little old lady. We've already got some random people walking in and out. Let's put someone at the dock itself. And let's do just a random. We're using some default stuff. A lot of the artwork is being done in the background right now. And then as we get the core game mechanics down, what we're going to do is then start bringing in the artwork, start fleshing it out. And then that way, it's just going to kind of run from there. So pretty excited about that. So let's do... So that's going to be our first one. And then what we'll call this is just a event 8, but we'll call it Quest Giver. And this is who's going to give it to us. And then we'll create another one over here. And again, working on this core mechanic. We want to bring it into a conditional base. So we want to be able to have branching conditions, if else then statements. To essentially go, okay, oh, you're not done? Cool. I'm going to give you one thing. You are done. I'm going to give you something totally different. And then maybe a third where you go back, complete it, and then it opens up a door. So we'll create like a little door or little square room with a door. And it will open up or disappear based on this. So this is going to be the second one. This is who we're going to utilize to just give us... this is going to be our parallel. We're going to build this and see how it works to understand the mechanics better. And then we'll put someone here as the... completion. And event 10 will be quest complete. And we will make this guy. Okay. Now let's, and none of the lo-fi started playing, so let's do that real quick. We're going to do a little lo-fi cafe. Very similar to Lo-Fi Girl. Let's us play some stuff. There we go. Ooh. Turn that all the way down. I don't know what I was blasting a little bit ago. Okay, so there's the three people. And so Yanfi's plugin, it is pretty unique in this. So the things we need to be able to do, and I'm over here typing in my patch notes as well. So the plugin itself, we enabled it right beforehand. So we'll go in and edit it. So there's a couple different things. You can list out the quest, and then this is what we're going to utilize. This is kind of like a numbering system. Let me turn that down a little bit more. Yeah, it uses kind of like a numbering system that allows us to figure out who's doing what. And then creates the windows, which we'll see that here in a second. And then we can create the titles and everything. So if we just create, let's take this out and create a test quest. And then we'll make it part of the main quest. tutorial, character quest, side quest. Oh, I like that. I didn't realize that. So that's interesting. So essentially it's bucketizing. I think you can probably put everything in main quest and it'll do the same thing. But difficulty 1 star. What does that do? Can I put 2? I don't know what 2 will do, but we'll find out. And then insert the name of the NPC who issued this quest. So we're gonna say fisherman, the location at the farm, and then our description. So task quest to ensure playability for the journal system. And then this is the default quest description. Using multiple descriptions in case you ever want to update the quest description midway through the quest. You can insert multiple quest descriptions. Okay. Oh. In case you ever want to update the quest description midway while the quest is in progress. Okay. Cool. Partly understood that. Objectives. We're going to have one objective. And oh, first objective, second objective. Okay. The first objective will be is to test this quest and see if we're able to utilize. Let's see. Where is the screen and what you're typing things out? Oh. Is it not showing? Huh. Let's see. So let's change this from a window so let me make some changes real quick. So we want to bring this down. I'm going to turn this one off. There we go. Hey, thanks, Wiggles. Well, and there he is. Old Wiggles running around. Yeah, so where we're at right now is in the plugin manager. And we're running out the objectives to see what we can get out of it, and then and we've made one objective in it, so that's gonna be the plan. So now that we've done that, we need this guy to give the quest. So in order to do that, there's I think 2 ways we can do it. And I think we're going to have to do so we're gonna make him talk, and let's think about this. So let's see. Hi, I hope you're ready to test out this quest. Let me go ahead and add it to you. Okay, now it'll pop up like this, but before we add some message stuff, so we're gonna put it in, and we're going to now go in, and we want to add quest, add 1. And 1 was the quest number we're giving. and then we're going to come back to this and go ahead and open up your start menu to see if the quest has been added. All right, so let's try this. Yep, oh, I didn't fix that like I said I was going to. So right now we have nothing. Nothing in here. This is the basic thing that we're gonna have to change all this, but we should be able to walk over. Yep, hi, hope you're ready to test out the quest. Let's go ahead and add it to you. Go ahead, open up your start menu. So now we'll open it up. Okay, so now we have our test quest. And we, okay. And there you go. So that's what the level is. So we can use icons for the levels. Is that what we want to do? I don't like the icon in the main quest, but that's okay. Let's see. So the level of difficulty, we might have changed the way that looks. So it came from the fisherman, came from the farm. Test quest, ensure playability for blah, 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 blah. But we can't see that. So we need to make sure the quest description is X amount of characters. And then same way with the objectives, but the rewards, potion ether, that was default, but I did see that down below. I just didn't make any modifications to it. So, okay, so we've now got this enabled. Okay. And if I do it again, does it break it? No. Okay, good. Although from there you would want to flip to another event page. So now let's edit. He has it. Now what we want to do is a checkup on it and do essentially two different things based on the quest status. So this will be interesting. So what we want to do is a flow. So a conditional branch. Okay, here we go. All right, that screwed me up. So we're gonna do a script. So in this case, we want to go in a game system. So game system is quest objective completed, and then 1-1. And the first one is going to be our quest ID. The second one's going to be the objective ID. So if this is completed, are we going to need an else branch? We are. Okay, so if this is completed, we're going to go, congratulations on getting that quest test done. Else, why haven't you gotten this tested yet? apply that. Okay. So we have now added in, okay, this, man, KD wallet thing I've got to fix later. So let's go over here. Actually, it shouldn't be added right now. Yeah, okay. Don't worry about that. All right, yep. So from here, we have the quest. Now, she should say, you haven't done anything. Why haven't you gotten this tested yet? Okay, that's what we want. So essentially, the way it branched out was, hey, if it's reflecting correctly, for whatever reason my chat jumped over. If it reflected correctly, you know, if this quest and objective is a 1, which is completed, it's done, then, you know, do this. If it didn't, you know, all other cases in the else statement, say why haven't you gotten this test yet? So now what we want to do is we're gonna add another one for her to complete it. And then when they complete it and we get the rewards, I should be able to come back here and I get the other statement. All right. So we're going to do this first, and then we're going to try to tie this into like a gate. We'll like gate this in, and then a completed opens the gate, or we can switch. Yeah. Our chicken and stuff is just running around. Okay. So that's the plan. So now looks like you are ready to complete. Okay, now we've got to now add a plugin command, Vice's script, and this is going to be quest set completed 1, and we'll apply. All right. So let's see. So here we go. We're going to get a quest. We're going to make sure she goes, why haven't you gotten this yet? And then, let me mark that off. Yep, so now it's in the completed section. So that is the loudest sound in the world. So I should be able to come back here. Oh. So it's completed. Oh. But did the objective complete? It didn't. Well, did I get the reward? I didn't. Huh. So let's edit this. And let's do quest 1 complete objective 1. Now, does that... So, and then let's add a new one for quest set 1 completed. Oh, set completed 1. And apply. So let's see. Save it. Man, I gotta figure out KD wallet. I don't know why that's doing it now. Okay. We're adding the quest. Yep. Haven't tested it. And we'll come up here. Oh, it's blue now. Okay, so now this is now updated. Oh, I exited out. I don't know what I was just thinking. Okay. Yep. Oh, congratulations on getting that quest done. Okay, so now we can create the quest, update the quest. Why didn't the rewards give out? Or... Oh, so I think it's just text based. So let's do another. Let's go with quest 1, claim reward 1, 2, and then I don't think it gives it to you. I think what you've got to do is then change items, and we'll increase the potion by 1, and we'll do it again with the water. And if I'm wrong, it'll go up by 2, but I think I'm right. Because essentially what we're doing is we're completing the objective, we're completing the quest, we're claiming the reward, we're giving them the reward. And then everything should be kosher. And I don't know. Yeah. Okay, it's not going to show anything. That's a loud noise. Let's see. Okay, that. Yeah, okay, so I increased it. And then... Okay, it marked everything off. Okay. So... Now we come over here. Yep, got the question. Okay, alright. So now what we want to do is... let's add an event. I want to add a gate. So let's not let anything through. And we're just going to add whatever. So this is going to be a gate only removed when quest is completed. Whew. So we want a self switch. So it's going to do the same thing. we're going to do a script. And we want, I think, the same thing. I think we're going to do... Yeah. So actually, we want a conditional branch. That's what we want. So in this conditional branch, we're going to do game system dot is quest objective we want to do is it failed. So if it's failed in false, yeah, let's just do completed. Completed 1. Okay, so if it's completed, actually let's change this. Let's do uncleared. Okay, that way, if it's uncleared, do nothing. Oh, we need to make that else branch. Do nothing. Else, if it is clear, we want to set if it is clear, let's do nope. That would be us. I think we want to do a self switch. I think we want to go set self switch on. Create a new page where it's this. Or essentially it goes away. I have no idea if that's going to work. What is it that defines the need for words like clear or completed? So, in the back end, let me pull it up here. That's a great question. And fly. Then let's see. Okay. All right. So, Wiggles, to answer your question here. So there is the JavaScript file. I'm glad you farted. But what I have to do if the quest reward was to be random? We can try that next. So in here they made a lot of comments. So Yanfly is really good about this. Not a lot of people do. And then he's created these parameters. And let's go to, this is to add it. Let's go to, these are the parameter list. Yeah, so you see uncleared parameter. This is for the uncleared quest objective. So what he's made is he's made a parameter that meets that, and then put in how the uncleared objective works. So all we're doing is then taking that, and then it's essentially creating the box. But so that's what I've got up here, so it's not clogging everything up. Well, let's try this. So there's our gate. And then oh. Yeah, okay. So that did absolutely nothing. It didn't do anything because nothing can trigger it. Because oh, let's do a might be hard. Let's see if a parallel works. So we've added it. Oh, it is gone. Okay, so that didn't do anything. So let's make a new switch called Quest 1 completed. Apply, okay. So maybe we don't even need this self switch. We may not need this entire thing if we go this route. Okay, so let's do this. So the other thing that we're going to make them do now is we're going to control a switch. Yep, and we're going to set this to on. And we're going to apply it. And let's see what happens. Yeah, and this objective is talk to the NPC, make it met, and then be able to make this gate now disappear. So we're adding layers. So the layer we've added is, I want doorways to open when you complete a quest, right? Like it's a good way to railroad like an RPG is. How do I make sure that you can't get it past a certain point because you have not completed this? So that's what we're looking for. So that's done. I'm now using my mouse. Uh-oh, chicken. Out of the way, chicken. And cat. Oh, man. Now they can't go into this upper farm. Come on. There we go. Okay. Ah. There we go. Now, if I leave and come back. Oh. Yeah, it's still gone. Okay. And that is because, and thanks to this little thing, switch one of quest one's completed. Okay, so let's do that one more time. Let me make sure I understand what we've done here. So here, gate is there. So this is adding the quest. Yeah, go talk. She'll let you work in the garden. Context garden not accessible in those. Yeah, exactly. So available. So fisherman gave us quest. All right. This chick is like, you haven't actually completed the quest yet. We made a conditional branch over here, an if else then statement, an if else then statement, and then we talked to him. Says, hey, are you ready to complete it? Right. And as soon as we complete it, he said, check to make sure the garden is now open. Our quest is completed. The objective is now marks complete. The rewards are completed. And the items are now in our inventory. Okay, so now let's make this hard. How can we trigger these things to make this difficult? So let's add stuff. Let's add a shake. Let's add weather. Let's see what all we can do with this, because what we want to do is actually let's do that, and then you got some items added to inventory, notifications, or that later thing. There was no notification, and you're probably right. There needs to be a notification that says, you've had X added. So let's do that as well. Let's add notifications. I like that, because that core builds on stuff later. And then what we want to do, can I make the chicken change? So we're going to make the chicken change as well. All right, we're adding layers, because this is what we want to do. So let's add an event up here. And only if this quest is completed. What do we want to do? Oh, here we go. Okay, so we want to start a storm for 1/60th of a second. So let's do 180. And we want to shake the screen at 180 if that's completed. Oh, you butt. If we get this right, we're going to start a boss fight. Just for you, Wiggles. Okay. So, let's edit. And we're going to create a new event page. And we want you to change your look. So you are going to change into a bat. And I just want you to... that randomly moves. Okay. So, we should get... the door should go away. The conditional branch should change. Oh, we want to add notifications. Hold up. Oh, yeah. So, let's add something new in here. So, a notification. Oh, or we can select. Okay, so show this. But I don't want you showing it. So we want to show But I don't want it shown by him. How would we do that? Item received. Magical water. And a potion. I don't know if that's going to do the thing I want it to. I don't want it to look like it's coming from him. Cut. Paste. Apply. Okay. Let's see. Alright, so we're going to, yep, we're going to test the quest out. It's added. We're going to, this chicken should change. Alright. Oh, like that? It did a scroll. Oh, the chicken changed. And the gate's gone. Now, what a weird effect. Let's see. Huh. What was that what we were expecting? Scrolling text. Maybe. Edit. Gained a magical water. Gained a potion. Yeah, what a weird effect. Let's make it faster. Let's see. Does the speed matter? That? No. We don't like that, do we? We don't like that. I like the bat is completely changed now. The chicken is now a bat. Okay. So did we get a weather effect? Oh, we didn't get anything. Where was that at? If quest 1's completed, storm. Can it scroll up and fade out? Oh, I like that. Let's see if we can do it. Oh. This needs to be parallel. Okay. So scroll up and fade out. Let's see. Yeah, I agree. I don't want it to scroll all the way up. Which is... let's see. It might be something we have to do later. Okay, let's do this. Let's delete it. And we'll just do a text. Here's a potion and magical water for your troubles. Man, but I think you're right. I think somehow we want a notification that you've gained them. All right, cat, out of the way. Come on. It's a bad placement. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay. Oh, we've got rain. And we've got shakes. Oh, and the rain just... Oh. Oh, it's just going to keep going. Huh. Like, that's a cool, like, if I create an earthquake at some point. But, oh, I know why. Okay. Because we don't really end it. So... yeah, okay. I got it. So let's just do a conditional branch with this, with the switch. So if it's on, oops, let me do that. Else, and then end. Let's hope that only runs once. Yep. Quest gotten. Yep. Bat. Rain. Shakes. Rain still going. Oh. So we have to end it. So why can I not end this? Oh, I can. I can just turn A on, and then A does this. Yeah, okay. Figured it out. So we're just going to trigger a self switch, okay? We only want it to run once. Okay, yep. Shake, stop. Oh, okay. The shaking it stopped. So once the rain starts, it does not stop. Okay, cool. All right. We did it. Boom. All right. Let's try this. I don't know if this is going to work. We're about to try. So, Wiggles, I hope you're ready. We're about to learn. I hope you're ready. We're about to learn. I just heard myself reverb somehow. Oh, that's how. Let's do. Let's see. So all we got to do. All right. Let's see if this works. Oh, oh, what just happened? A boss has started. You have 60 seconds. Type I join. Oh, okay. Oh, oh, oh. I join Ranger. Let's see what happens. I don't know how I figure out what I can or can't do. Oh, there's 22 seconds left. Wiggles, you jumping in? Ooh. Whoa, Necromancer. Oh, man. Okay, so... Oh, man, I just saw. I don't know how to look at the abilities. Oh, you get in line. Oh, so I'm going to do a power shot. Let's see what happens. Ah. So I just realized that there was a reply commands type that's like, don't show these commands, and now I know why. Oh, he did like a... Let's see. Wiggles, did you die? Oh, man. Oh, I'm coming back up. Oh, you didn't make it. Oh, here. Can I restart it? I don't know. I realized too late, needed to choose a class. Oh. Uh-oh. Let's see. I'm going to do a weak spot. Oh, little target. See what happens. We got him halfway. Oh, he's back here like healing. All right, while this is running, Wiggles, what's the next goal? What else? You said something before. We want to keep fleshing this out as much as possible. So, let's see. So we know we can now make images come and go. We know we can change characters' images. We can change the weather. The quest system works. Oh, it's getting more desperate. Oh. I don't know what it's about to do. Let me do weak shot again. Weak spot. Let's see. Transmog chickens. What is a transmog? Transmog chickens. There's something more to this. This is a World of Warcraft. Oh yeah, I turned the chicken into a bat. So here, I'll do it again. Watch, and you'll see the chicken and bat. So yeah, so I wanted to see if I could change characters. So while you do it, see. So I wanted to see, okay, what all can we change? What can we do? Can we make? Let's see. What is one of the core mechanics we're gonna need? A quest is completed and it opens up a new area. Like not just a gate, but like a new thing appears. A new map is available. Ooh. Should the shake happen first, then change weather and chicken? Yeah. Yeah, I think. Oh. I did not exit the game. I don't know what just happened. Okay, so yeah, we did it. So we can do the shake first. So, and this will be good. And shake. So let's see if that's how it's done. So quest. And then, okay, so shake, bat, weather. Boom. Okay, so now we want a, ooh. Let me look at our options here. copy. Paste. Okay, so this is at 97.74. Okay, so let's find $97. Oh, okay. Okay. This is gonna get weird, but we have a goal. So, so 97.74. And what we want to do is create a transfer location. 97.74. And actually, there's a quick one here. So we're going to do a transfer. And we're going to go here. Yep. Except, okay, let's see. Oh, I like fight the bat. Okay, hold up. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to complete the quest, and we want the quest to change the world. That's what we're going to do. So give me let me think about this. So this is where the fishing village is in our final, where everything's open up. So what we're going to do is add, yep. Except we want it to just be desolate. Let's see. There we go. So same spot. Yep. Actually, we want to move this to there. Okay. And then let's erase all this. Yeah. I don't mind with what, but we're gonna make it just desert. And then let's just throw okay. And then yep. Transfer player. Edit. Edit. Okay. Apply. All right. It's going to be weird. So let's add, after you talk to her again, new. Ooh, 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 okay. Edit. We're going to do a conditional branch where if quest 1 is completed, yep, if else, and if it's completed, man, did I just kill everything? Also, what is going to be the scale of the changing world? That's what we're going to look at right now. We're going to look at scale. So we're going to see how big can we make the change. And if it's completed, I want a if it's completed, apply. Okay. This is going to be wild. I also broke everything when I closed out. That was not on purpose. Give me 1 second. So, oh my good golly, Miss Molly. I am just closing everything out. There we go. Okay, you're back up. Let's make sure what we just did. Yepper. All right, we should be back. I don't know why it's so small. I don't know why. This generally happens. There we go. Got to set to it. There we go. We're back. Okay. All right. So, I don't know because I didn't hit save because I'm a silly person. Zoom back out. I did not hit save. Okay. We're going to do this one more time. But now I figured it out. So, we're going to come back here. We're going to copy this and paste it. The paste, we're just going to throw this together. And put some freaking things. And then we want this. Edit. And I want you to transfer. Oh, I need to come here. Okay. So we want 9774. We are going to create a transfer that goes here. Yep. All right. And then what we're going to do is create a back of a transfer that comes here. Okay. And then here is where we're going to put in the conditional branch that says if one is completed, all right, so we're going to cut, paste, cut, paste, and then a new transfer here. Okay, this is going to be wild. All right, let's see what happens. Yep. All right, so we're going to come here and test this quest out. As Wiggle says, we're going to transmog the chicken. We've got rain, we got shakes. Now, we want to change into a totally different world. Boom. And then we are no longer in the place we were. Look at that. Okay. Let me think. Okay. So let's go back. And we're going to replay. Except this time, we're going to go out. Let me show you what we changed. So we've got this bright, vibrant world. And we want to do this in reverse. We want to be able to add layers, right? Not take away. In this case, we're taking away just to prove we can do it. So we've got this wonderful, world. All right. We want the quest to have been completed. A major one. Think about world changing. Our ley lines have been opened up. That's what we're looking for. And when that happens, all right, chicken, you can bok out of my way. All right. Yep. So, yep. Oh, something's going on. We get that. We get shakes. We get rain. We get bat. And then we come out and and there's no way of going back. So the plan's going to be iterate up. So add layers, not take away. So in this case, we took away, but the reverse is true, right? We want to walk out and a whole new area now opens up. Oh, that's funny, is because I left that event in, it brought us back here, which is a weird time loop effect. It's actually hilarious. So don't just haphazardly copy and paste. Yeah. So there will have to be new transfer effects and everything. Okay. Does that make sense? Does that show the vision here of what we're doing? Because I think that's the key. Yeah, that's going to be the key. Yeah, let me know if that's not the thought process we're all on, because that's where I'm at. I want the world to be iterated as these major things happen. Add layers to the world that used to be desolate, growing as the ley lines are opening up. That's going to be the key. Yeah, am I at the beginning? Yeah, right now we're building really the core. The beginning, which I've started kind of building out at least part, is let's start here, because after our last one, let's Yeah, we're using that as a test area. Bomb costs 10. You only have 9. Oh. Oh. How do you get more? Can you... Let's see. Idle. I don't know if that... Does that work like that? Can I duel? Let's see. If you catch the stars, I think you get some gold. So jump. Jump. Will work. Oh, yep, I won 25 from the jump. See if you can jump. There you go. All right, so this is river top, and really what I'm trying to do is just create something real basic. But from what we did last time, I made people. This I can't figure out how I did again, but that was just a test. I've got some different interactions. Watch this. The old man comes here and goes, oh, wrong way, and starts heading it off in a different direction. So this is what I started doing with this. So yeah, this is going to be the beginning. It's going to start out in a kind of nomadic village, but you know, based on last time, you know, we've added components. Right now we're adding people walking around. We're adding kind of people going in the wrong directions. So that was kind of the goal. Yeah, but this is the starting, is this real desolate type of thing, you know, where there's very little growth. All the growth is just coming from the lay. So let's see. All right, so I have a feeling we're going to have to keep shifting down maps. And we'll go from that desolate all the way through a full functioning. And that'll be the goal. Let's see if that's iBoss. Must accept. Yeah, well, yeah, you're right. I should start in the beginning, but what I'm doing is I just added a city to test out the core mechanics. So the next stream we're going to start testing out the battle mechanics. And then I think we're going to start getting into the quest lines and fleshing out the world. Part of that is also the amount of art that I'm producing in order to do that. So yeah, exactly. Yep. Yeah, no, I like that. Like, add the big things, and then that way, you know, as the areas grow, it just starts pipelining. And actually, what a way to think about this. yeah, that would actually start. Let's see. In and out lines. Because really what that does is it fleshes out the main quest. And then fill in the middles, which is going to be all the other lines. Yeah, I like that. I like that. That's a fantastic idea. You know, Wiggles, you get whatever you want in life. Actually, let me try to figure this out now. Exclamation, dual Wiggles XT, dual 0 Wiggles XT. Does that work? Does it tell you hit accept? Let's see. Oh, I'm silly. Let's see if that works. Oh, I can't spell. How about that? Yeah, I can't spell. There you go. Yeah, now accept. You have 50 seconds. Huh. I'm kind of excited right now. It's 50 seconds. Hopefully the lag is not greater than 50 seconds. Oh, I accept. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Oh, there's health bars. We've got health bars. You know what? I messed that up last time spelling it wrong. Oh, man. How is that possible? Come on. Oh, I blew up. I blew up. You ready for another boss? Let me know. Hopefully we get the Pumpkin King next. I am more powerful. Well, don't tell everybody that. All right. If you want to join, I am going to do the Druid this time. All right. Come on, Wiggles. Let's see. I like that. So I think what I want to do is, you know, I'm going to replace the art later anyways, but right now flesh it out enough, because this is what it looks like right now. Oh, a necromancer. So this is what the entire map looks like right now. I think what we should do is start at the top and remove the regions as you go down. And then that way it's like that. Oh, we did get the Pumpkin King. All right, let's see. What do I got? Bear. Oh, he did rejuvenation. So I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to start here. And then we'll go down from a 12-12 world, which means all the regions are available, to 11-12, to 10-12, to 9, to 8 to 7 to 6 to 5 to 4 to 3 2 to 1, and then from the top to the bottom, and then the game plays in reverse. So to build it, we got to build it out from top to bottom, and then the game comes in reverse, and you take stuff away based on what you can or can't do. So that's going to be the overarching plan. Yeah, I like that a lot. So that's going to be how we break it apart. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So let's go back to some mechanics here. What's the next thing we can work on? You said battle the bat. So I like this. I think we need to at least start looking at. We want him to approach. Now the question is, so we were playing Pokemon Unbound last night, right? And there's two types of battles. There's battles where someone sees you and it starts a battle, regular Pokemon, or you're running around an area and a battle randomly starts. Ooh, he just fireballed us. So let me... Hold up, it's my turn. Deals 6% of healing, receive this damage. Nope, we're going to bear. Okay, so I think that's going to be the two-folded, right? We want characters that come after us, or do we want all the characters to be on the screen? And you fight what you see. So those are the two options. So let's try this. And so what we want is him to approach, and when the event touches, we want to start a battle. All right, we're going to start a bat battle. Okay, so that's one. The other one is, and I think if we use regions, and let's just call this region, we got 255, so let's make a battle region. Like one set of numbers. So let's do right under this. Well, no, let's start at 100. I think that's, oh, I don't like how this is. All right, 24. So I want to do a little 4 region on here. Yep. And ooh, me. Trent. Think Trent. What can I do? Oh, fireball. The Pumpkin King's a little bit harder. Trent at Wiggle XT. Okay. So now we need to edit this. And yeah, okay. By region. Okay, so we did region 24. Okay. So we're going to get the bats in region 24, or we're going to get the bats after the chicken turns into it. So let's see how this works. Oh my God. It would help if I position myself somewhere. Yo, the Pumpkin King might wipe us completely out. Oh, Wiggles, you're already down. Yeah, the boss scowls. Yeah, okay. Pumpkin King's a little bit harder. Alright, so we're gonna do the quest. I want this chicken to get away. Cause I want the chicken to chase us. Okay, right here. Is the chicken moving toward us? It's not moving toward us. Is it? No. Oh, what if we run into it? Yeah, it does. It's like starting an attack. We're gonna have to work on how strong these things are. But what made the background? Oh, specify battle back maybe? Let's see. Do we have like a farm we can use right now? Dirt field. Here we go. Okay. Oh, it's incredibly loud. I just had to turn it off. We're gonna have to figure out database wise how to turn those things down. Yeah, we'll figure that out here in a second. Let's see. Okay, so I think we made the right changes. Let's now. Oh yeah, when I get done, KD Wallet's going away. So let's now run back and forth over here. I think I set this region up to. There we go. All right, so we got the region set up. So we can do both. Yeah. Oh, you have my attention now. Yeah. Hey, freak out. But, okay, so we've now got region. We've got so I think. But let's fix what this did. So this was supposed to approach. Now Let's make it normal. Why did it not approach? I want it to come after me. Come on, Mr. Bat. Nope. But when I touch it, okay, that battle back fixed it. Yeah, it kills the oh. Let me turn the audio off. How's that sound? How about I don't leave the audio on? So why? Yeah, I want player touch, and I want to approach. I think approach. Can I? Now, is that also because of this regional fix that we did here? So yeah. Yeah, we can have like some background music. This is what one of my freelancers are working on right now, is the music. Let's see how that's now playing. Yeah. So I'm not understanding why it's not. Is it that region marker that does that? Let's see if it comes toward me. Oh. Oh. Oh, it didn't. It didn't. Ah. Okay, it's that region marker. So that region marker is what's making it not come out or look. So I forgot we set that 255 up. But how did we use it? Yeah, so these are the timers. Edit. Oh man, what? How did we do that? This is before I implemented the patch notes. How did we do that? We ended up setting up a timer, not a timer, a region, to go, you can't move here. And somehow or another, let's see. we haven't even started getting into this stuff yet, but what was it, a plug-in? Right? Oh yeah. Okay. We did it in a plugin. Yeah, so we did it in the event restriction plugin. Okay. Woo! All right. So we now figured out that. Do we like the combat? So let's start talking combat. So combat-wise, we'll be able to do some stuff there, but that's front view. That's side. Side's what we got to do. And I ended up adding, I think it's this. And I have not messed with it whatsoever or went into because I want to do an active time battle. So I just downloaded it and add this in. Oh, that's us. That's it movie. Yeah, so let's. No. So I think we're gonna need some sounds. Decision 2 anyways. Okay, so and then these are let's see. Initial speed, highest base agility. Agility is what we're going to use for this. So if I go classes, agility. So it's all based on this. Okay. We've got math to do. I think math is going to be our next video. A lot of math to try to level out the combat system. Okay, so we now have, let's see, let's run through everything. So we got a little background music, which cool. We've got conditional switches for our quest. Our quest journal, which is now running. Our journal. Oh, why do I do that? It's automatic in my head. Oh, press X to get out of the quest. So we've got that. Congratulations on getting the quest done. We made it to where we can now change the world. Oh, sorry. And we've put in regional battles as well as touch-based battles. yeah, I like where this is at. And the world changing stuff is going to be huge. So we got further than what I thought we were going to get. Okay. We're going to take like a couple minute break, and then you know what? We're probably going to crack open Pokemon Unbound. We got done way earlier than we expected. So let's take a quick break, and then let's keep it kicking. All right. Be right back, everybody. So a story does exist. I have like a 3-layer notebook on it. And then with the races, with their 6 different races, and then what we're building out now is the kind of from mind to conceptualization. So that's kind of what the goal is. So I hope that makes sense. But yeah, so it exists. That's a great question. Break time. Alrighty. We are switching back. Alright, let's see. Let's make some patch notes. Alright, let's see. 26. 0112. Let's see. Added features. So our journal feature is now added. So let's both the attack on touch and region attack is built, and we now understand that. The quest markers to change the overworld is now set. That's huge. That's huge. And then let's see, quest switches. Let's add some stuff in here. So we can now do switches to change images, to change weather, to change to open up objects. Okay. All right. Patch notes are done. Yippee yippee. Let me hit save like one more time. All right. I don't know. What is causing that mouse drift? That's wild. Whoa. Oh, I'm back. Huh. That was really weird. All right, let's... I have no idea where my controller went. Here we go. Got it. All right, so we're going to Game Boy Advance this. Oh, please don't be super loud. And then... Ho, 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 ho. All right, so we ended up at Route 6. Let's check our mission log. Okay, so we got to get through Valley Cave toward Blizzard City. We went through Valley Cave. And now, uncover secrets behind the stone tablets. We couldn't get that last one. You know. Proactive saving lines was saving the game at least 100 times. Got a lot there. Read the trainer tips. Walk a whole lot. Show a Budo, which I've not seen a Budo. Okay, so we ended up down here because there were 2 paths. Whoa. Okay, we got another gang. Remember, you see in the top left beside him, we're going to have to go back and get that at some point. Okay. What Pokemon are right here? Oh, and we got to be on the lookout for dens. Okay. I don't know. This is such a small grass area. I'm curious of what we got. A Bunnelby. I'm going to wing attack him. We need to switch out for a bat right away. Okay, Sandshrew. Ooh, 2 bridges. Camper Ricky. I thought that was a girl. And it might still be a girl. I'm very confused. What just happened? Ooh, I hope I win. But this thing is, oh my good golly. Wiggles just utterly got me. Did that not work? It did. As I see it, yes. I might win the fight. What you should have asked it was I about to get my butt kicked by a deering that looks like it's got a bow in its hair. We're gonna fail. I cannot believe. Alright, which way? The fact that you battled me means you're going the right way. That's... Battle me, and I'll tell you which of the 2 bridges to take. Because you battled me, you're going the right way. Thank you. Chansey's out there, by the way. Heal you. Do we read this? Oh, cool. I didn't know that. I want to go down. Do I go this way? Do I get to battle her? Oh, this is confusing. I'm gonna have to go everywhere. Is there something special in here? Oh, let's catch him. We're gonna catch the deering because this thing tried to hurt us. Okay, sweet. Cube. Oh, yeah. Got her. There's an option to turn off the auto naming, by the way, so when I do catch something, it does this, you know, it doesn't. Oh, there's 4 different types. Yeah, it doesn't ask me, do you want to name it? I just want to keep their names the same. Oh, so let's see what's in Cricketot. When I play TCG, Pokemon TCG mobile, Cricketot is how I end up winning a lot of battles. Quick move set, low energy cost. Crobat is a beast. Oh, why hello? Why are you hiding? Oh. I'm outside all hours of the day searching for rare bug Pokemon. Dude, if we find a Scyther, I'm getting it. Beedrill. Ooh. Yeah, we're bringing out Litleo. Litleo's gonna tear these guys up. But look at that Beedrill. Oh yeah, we're gonna incinerate. Not a chance. I don't know what assurance did. There we go. There we go. Swift. Do we want to know Swift? Never misses. No. Ooh, Gabite's learning Slash. 70. High crit ratio. So Sandstorm damages everybody. Sandtomb will trap them. So these two like dot them. That gets up to 80. I don't know. I like our current moveset. I don't think we're gonna add it. Nope. Bring him out. This is Cricket's evolution, which is not going to last long. Level 29. Ducklet evolved. Nope, Ducker did not. I thought that was Ducklet. Okay. Dude, there's a lot of pass. There's a lot of pass. A lot of indecision happening right now. I'm just gonna ice ball him. Let's take this bug trainer on. Following a route where a Pokemon that appears at night will also appear in the early morning. Okay. No shot. No shot. We're ice balling it. An ice ball just keeps going every move and gets stronger every move. No, come on. Oh, see? No chance. Oh, here we go. Oh, look. Double trees. Double trees. Double trees. Double rainbow. Oh, yeah. Let's find out what we got. Let's find out what the raid den has. What a fantastic concept. Alright, who do I want with me? So that is a bug Pokemon. He has a chameleon. I think that's Lediba. So we want Leo. We want Sandshrew and Crobat. Oh yeah, Ledian. Level 28. Wow. Okay. Let it brew, because we're about to fire thing. Max Airstream. I don't know what that does. Oh boy. Okay. We're good. Oh, that did not do what I wanted it to. Clear smog. So the wind, oh my. I might be knocked out. Oh, nope, okay. What? Ooh. Oh, it did nothing. Alright, so we've got to let Leo's done. Oh yeah, you're done. You're done. I don't know how we survived that. Oh, he's getting 2 attacks in a row? Alright. Oh, an air attack against a bug Pokemon all day long. Alright, the barrier is gone. So let's... We're going to bring out Sandshrew. And we're going to Ice Ball him. Okay. Ice Ball in 1 hit. Ice Ball in 1 hit. Yeah, we're going to catch him. Heck yeah. I don't know if we need something better than a Pokeball. Got him. All day long. All day long. Found 2 lemonades. 3 berries. Is it random, you know, or if you took the bridge on the right, you must be looking for adventure. Yeah, I'm glad this camper told me. This camper's a girl. Picnicker Nancy. These kicks. What? Okay. Okay, we're gonna counter. Go ahead. Do your worst. Oh yeah, got him. antidotes. I do, thankfully. Alright, so we did a little circle. Ah, why have I not been paying attention to those bushes? Like, at all. That's terrible. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I don't have surf. Oh, we already got one. I'll level up in the next boss, the trainer battle. Okay, so we actually need to come back this way. Let's see. Oh. Ooh, spinnerack. We feint them and then catch them. Ooh, nope. Screech. What does Screech do? Sharp Blade reduces the foe's defense. Ugh. The user thinks bad thoughts as Sharp Blade raises the special attack stat. Yeah, what is the difference between, let's see. Do fighting attacks use attack or special? Huh. I don't know. I don't think it's bothersome. So let's say no. So it went down one way. Oh. What? go down this way. We're the Sun Trio. Beat us 3 to win a fantastic prize. Okay. Oh, I swear if everybody's got Sun Kerns. I didn't put 2 and 2 together. That's crazy. That's crazy. We're just going to faint them out. Crobat or Quackero. I'm pretty sure, yep, wing attack. Just decimate. There's number 2. I'm burning with excitement. Okay, maybe we're about to get... yeah, oh, don't freeze. What does that do? Let's see. Nope, and I'm being balled. Let's see if I can. I do Wiggles XT 50. Evidently, I spelled all that wrong. Oh. Why? Why? No, I did that right. Oh, okay. I think I did that right. Oh, ha ha ha. It's not I. There we go. I'm silly. I continue to put an I in there. Oh, and then I put an A in there. Okay, now let's do it for real. There we go. Let's see. Now you gotta accept. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I can't lose again, can I? Oh, uh-oh. I think the algorithm's got me. I think I got you. I think I got you this time. There's no way. There's no way. Yeah. Explode. Whoa. Yo, there was like a finishing move in there. I don't know if you just saw that. Oh, I haven't used Air Slash yet. There we go. Look at Ducklet's eyes. Ducklet looks dead inside. If something looked at you with the dead eyes that Quacker's got right now, I would run away. Number 3. Actually, oh, I'm weak too. That's what makes us the Sun Trio. All right, come on, get your little Sun Kern out. Oh, Soul Rock. Oh, 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 oh. That's crazy. That's okay. We're going to brine them up. Oh my God. Dude, this psychic sun thing, Soul Rock, is whooping my butt. Oh, bring him out. Bring him out. Bring Sunflower out. What a crazy looking thing. No. Is this gonna do it? Yeah, got him. Got him. Okay, we gotta be careful. Single jump. Struggle bug. User attacks the foes, lowering its special attack. Okay, so now I can't go back. Alright, so now we can go down the other bridge. We have played this bridge out. We need to remember those bushes because I did not know them. We better heal some folks because is the Chansey right here? Yeah, okay, we're not far. Thank you, Chansey. Old man. Here we go. Yeah. This is also what I was talking about when we were doing the game dev stuff is, you know, having overland, something physical touching you to create a battle, or, you know, the, oh, no effect, supersonic, or, you know, random. So we kind of got to combo them both. Let's see. Let's see. I'm asleep. Do a cross poison. I'm asleep. Come on, wake up. You can do it. We are not going to make it to the city. The plan is to make it to the city, and that's our goal. Bumblebee. It's a different color Bumblebee. We went to reverse color one a little bit ago. Nope, ring shinks out, electric. Oh, no. Set up a psychic barrier. That's crazy. Oh yeah, we don't have surf. Ooh. Nope. A house. We got a fishing rod. So this is the okay. All right, I think that is, let's see, us for the night. I hope everybody's enjoyed it. Just trying to see what all is. Oh. Can't get through there, so at least we know the way out. Berry. Alright, now we know what to look for the bushes. Whoa, that is a rat-a-tata after my own heart. How do I not? There we go. Okay, one more hit and we're going to catch him. Don't crit, don't crit, don't crit. There we go. Cube. Pokeball. I guess we dropped some frames there for a second. Alright. Alright, we're going to stop here. We're going to save. I think we're on Route 10. Alright. Alright, hey, what a fantastic night. We figured out a lot about how we're going to end up doing things. We ended up finding some breakout points for the game, doing a lot of good switch work. You know, and then we got a little Pokemon Unbound in just for the heck of it. So that was good. You know, I didn't think we'd even get to the point of being able to play a game tonight, but we were able to because we got so much done during the game dev session. So, hey, to everybody out there, thank you. I hope you continue enjoying. And remember to always create, engineer, and play. Until later.
See you next time, and remember to create, engineer, and play.